Hello everybody. This video has started backwards, and you will see through the series of videos that I will be putting together. What turned out as a simple belt change turned into I have to replace that. I have to both those idler pulleys, the glides which aren't pictured here, and when I had it open it was full of lint. Everything is clean. What I'm going to show you today is how to remove the dryer motor. First thing we're looking at, to get this out, these have spring clips. So you're going to need a good flathead, just like that. You're going to push down, and if you're lucky you'll get it on the first try. Push down and push back against this lip. Oh, and if I forgot to mention, yes, it is unplugged. So we're going to pop this sucker out right here. Same way. There we go. And this you want to be careful with because that's a plastic switch. So we'll just, it's probably a better idea if you take this off before you actually take these clips off. And very gently under here, just very gently pry, and then there's one right on the other side here. Just gently. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do a couple things. These motors really aren't oilable. Sometimes you can drill in here and drill in here to get into the bearing. What I'm going to do, and this worked pretty good, it helps, can't hurt. Find a way to support the motor on end, such as a small coffee can like this. I have these little oilers here with the needle, which is nice. Just a little bit of oil. It's hard for me to show you with this dust shield. No, you can't. I'll be able to show you when I flip this over, but I'm just going right where the shaft goes into the bearing. Just put a few drops in there. And then all I do is take the shaft, spin it a few times, and I can actually feel it loosening up. This motor is 20 plus years old. Model number S58NXM WM6869. Let's see, date manufactured L01A5. This is back when Maytag was Maytag. So we'll put that in there, let it sit a little bit, and then flip it around and do the other side. Okay, back to the other side. That's right where the shaft goes into the motor. Right there. If you can see. Yeah, right there in that gap. just enough to let it soak through. You have to be careful when sitting it on this side because the plastic switch right there. So I'm going to let that sit maybe 15-20 minutes, an hour. I'm waiting for the new parts to come in, the glides and everything else, and then we'll take the bracket out and we'll go over a whole bunch more.